Hello, I'm Erickson Johnny De. I'm from BSTM3 South America. And for today's video, I will show to you the beauty of Bohol and why this is a place to be visited. First, I will give you a brief context about Bohol. Bohol is a province in the Philippines and located in Central Visayas region. Bohol is known for coral reefs and unusual geological formation, notably the Chocolate Hills. Our first heritage site is the Chocolate Hills. Sometimes they call it the eighth wonder of the world. The Chocolate Hills are the Philippines' third national geological monument. There are at least 1,260 hills. Our second heritage site is the Punta Cruz Watchtower. The tower is known for being the only perfect isosceles triangle located in the western tip of Maribojoc and constructed in 1796 by Father Manuel Sanchez de Nuestra Señora del Tremendo. Our third heritage site is the Baclayon Church. Baclayon Church was founded by the Jesuit priest Juan de Torres and Gabriel Sanchez in 1596 and became the oldest Christian settlement in Bohol and one of the Philippines' oldest Catholic churches made by coral stone. For our last heritage site is the Black Compact Monument. The life-size monument was created by national artist Napoleon Abueva. This great monument, 1 kilometer east of Tagbilaran, celebrates the March 1565 Black Compact where Spanish Conquistador Miguel Lopez de Legazpi and Boholano chieftain Ra Sikatuna shared a cup of each other's blood for a peace treaty.